Good evening. This is Yaswanth from PSG College of Technology. This video is to demonstrate the project inventory management system for retailers we done as a team. So, firstly, I would like to thank our college and IBM Nalaiyathiran for giving us this opportunity to make this project under them. So before going into the demonstration of our project, we can see the things we set up. That is the prerequisites made by us to uh, deploy this project online. So firstly, we can see the final deliverables report and the team members and their contribution. So we are a team of 4 members, including Abishek L R, Kaaviya A, Prediksha R L, and myself, Yaswanth. So here the contribution of Abhishek is these 3 members were uh, developing the front end each 5 pages, and when they were developing the front end, I was developing the back end, the full back end for all 14 pages, and Abhishek was working on integration of SendGrid, and Kavya and Pradiksha were working on the documentation part. While he was working on the integration of SendGrid, I was working on the integration of IBM Cloud, and Abhishek and me both deployed the application created using the created using Python, using Docker and Kubernetes. So here under the resource list, if we see, there are 2 containers, which is this is the Kubernetes service created by us, and this is the container registry created by us, Docker container registry. And under databases, we can see the DB2KT, which is our database. So here, if we go to the VS Code, here the templates, this includes 14 pages, which includes the front end, which is created using HTML and CSS Bootstrap. Then here is then app.py. When we run this, the application will run in the local host. And here, for security purpose, I have substituted the username and the password to IBM DB username and IBM DB password. If somebody wants to run this code in their personal computer, they have to substitute this UID and password with their own IBM username and password. And here in SendGrid code, this is the SendGrid code, Python code. And here I have substituted the SendGrid API key with an variable name. So when somebody wants to run this code in their local host, they should substitute this SendGrid API key with their own SendGrid API key after creating the SendGrid account. Yes. So now we can see the. And one more thing is, in Docker desktop, I uploaded this image, and then we used the command line CLI to upload that image to the Docker container and then deploy it in Kubernetes. So when we go to the databases, so it's loading. When we go to database and get started, go to UI. So here we can see the date. Here we can see the tables created by us for this project. It includes 6 tables, actually 5 tables: locations, product movements, products, product balance, and users. And then this is database part. And then when we want to see the public IP of the this is the Kubernetes service where we deployed our application. It is used to manage all the Docker containers created by us. So here we can see under worker nodes, we can see the public IP. So when we put the public IP colon the node port where it is deployed, our application will be opening. Everybody around the world can access this application. Now in the home page, we have the register button and the login button. Now I am going to demonstrate the working and functionalities of the inventory management system we created for the retailers. So here, first page includes register and login. Let's start with register. So already there are a few users created by us, but we can see the register functionality. So here I am creating an I for admin in username admin, I am creating an account. So here I am giving email address, and I am giving username as admin, and the password is also an admin. Confirm password is also admin, and I will give submit. So here the admin password. Okay, so let's not see this. So here the admin and the admin name password, since they are familiar with the uh, since they are familiar with the username and password available online, it is showing us data can be breached. So let us not worry about that. So here after this, when we go to home page, it will show like this. Then we can click on we can click login here also and here also. Let's log in. So we have created just now we have created an account named admin and admin, and if we submit, oh, internal the server encountered. Okay, so let's go with the account which I created already. So the Yaswanth, Yaswanth, I will give the password. So this is my own account actually. So I don't know why the error came when we log in with the admin and admin. It may be because of the because that the data can be breached. The IBM cloud is restricting it. It seems. So here when I go to home page, the login and register button will be disappeared, and now it since we are into the account, the logout, dashboard, home, products, location and product movements are visible. Now this is our home page. Now we can go to the products page. So here we have some products. So we can edit that product, and we can also delete this product. Now if I delete the cutlery have went, then if we can also add product. So we can add a product named again we can add the cutlery itself. So or we can also add furnitures. So product cost we can add as 20,000. Then we can have 50 units of furnitures. Then if we add means the product will be added. Then we can also go to location. The concept through in which we have created the application is that we have considered this as an main inventory. So this products page is an main inventory, and in this location we can add different warehouses. So that retailer may have a warehouse at Chennai and Punjab already. Now we are adding another warehouse Kerala. Now product movements. So before adding product movements, we can go to dashboard, Chennai, Kerala, Punjab. There is no product here. So from the main inventory, so we are considering this products as the main inventory. So you can see that bedspreads is 100. So from the main inventory, we are sending to add product movements. From the main inventory, we are sending products to Chennai. So bedspreads, we are sending 10 units. So let's see what happens now. So here from main inventory to Chennai bedspreads 10. So now you can see two changes in the other pages also. In products bedspreads from 100 it is minus 10, it become 90. Then in dashboard you can see in Chennai we have 10 units because we have from the main inventory we have sent products to Chennai. Okay, this is one functionality. Then again we can send some bedspreads to Kerala also. From main inventory to Kerala we are sending few bedspreads, that is let me say 50 quantities. So here another, now another transaction is added. Now if we go to products page means the bedspreads becomes 40 from 90, and then if we go to the dashboard means under Kerala bedspreads become 50. Okay, so now from the main inventory the products can be transferred to the other warehouses. So now we can also transfer a product from one warehouse to another. Now we can uh, from Kerala to Chennai, we can shift the bedspreads. So let's try that. Add product movements from Kerala to Chennai. I am sending some 20 units of bedspreads. So 20 units of bedspreads. So here I sent. Now in this main inventory, there will be no change. But if you go to the dashboard, you can see that before in Kerala, it was 50 units. 50 minus 20 units, it become 30. But in Chennai, it plus 20, 10 plus 20 become 30 units. So you can shift the products from one warehouse to another also. So now we can see the SendGrid functionality. So when the SendGrid works, whenever the products goes in less than 0 or minus, the mail will be sent to mail will be sent to the retailer. Let's see now from Kerala to Kerala, only 30 bedspreads are there. But when I add from Kerala to Chennai, bedspreads as 50. Let's see what happens now. So here Kerala to Chennai, we are adding bedspreads 50. In a dashboard, you can see here minus 20. So minus 20, here 80. So now the SendGrid should have sent a mail to this alert mail to this mail ID. See, you can see now 0 minutes ago we received a mail 516. Please add 20 number of bedspreads to Kerala warehouse. Why 20 number of bedspreads means here minus 20. So we are 20 units short in Kerala warehouse. So it's showing like this. Now let's also see here bedspreads are 40 units. Now from main inventory to Punjab, we can add 100 units of bedspreads. Okay, so 100 units of main inventory to Punjab, we added 100 units of bedspreads. Now here you can see the product should bedspreads went to minus 60. So now another mail should have gone to. Let me reload this. Another mail should have came to this. Here you can see that please update the quantity of product bedspreads. At least 60 number of pieces must be added. Why? So here 60 number of pieces is short in the main inventory. So thus in this way we integrated the SendGrid into our project. So this is an complete inventory management system for retailers, but it can be upgraded into multiple ways based on the developers thoughts, and those who want to develop it further, they can make many additions to this existing project. So this is for our this project we have done for IBM Nalaiyathiran, that is a inventory management system for retailers. So here these are the functionalities. So I think I have explained all the functionalities which we included in our project. Let me log out. So logout functionality is also working fine. Now if I go to home, it will show register and login because we are no longer into the account. So this is how we deployed this application. You can see this is a public URL. So we have uploaded all the code in our repository. So here in the under final deliverables, I have uploaded all the final code, you can see. But here a few changes is digital certificate, it should be your own digital certificate, and in app.py and sendgrid.py it should be your own credential. So I have also included all the steps in which you can execute the code, so if anybody wants. So for our that's it for our uh, project under inventory management system for retailers. So thank you once again for our mentor and college and IBM Nalaiyathiran. Thank you.